standoff ad frames in various sizes. When they arrive, they'll arrive with 2 pieces and a pack of hardware. Each piece is going to have protective coating on it. This is film. It keeps it from getting damaged. And then you peel it off when it arrives. There's a piece on each side. You get the second piece. Peel the film off each side. Once you have your 2 sides, you place it down. Put your photo in between the 2 pieces. You open up your package of hardware. You should have hardware for each of the 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and they each come with a wall anchor in case you need those. 4 screws. Each one comes apart. You just screw it, unscrew it. And this is your top piece. It has 2 washers. And here's the bottom piece. Once you find where you want it on the wall, say you want it right here, this will be your front part, and this is the part that goes against the wall. And the screw will insert through the back. And then you just use your screwdriver to screw it in the wall. So when you're done, you'll have 4 of these on the wall. And you'll probably need 2 people to do this, because once it's on the wall, like so, you'll take the front part. Someone will have to hold it while you just screw it in. You could probably get a close-up. See how the front's going to screw into the back like so. So you'll have it on the wall like that. And then you'll just keep taking your top part and screwing it into the front. When you're done, they'll all be hanging. And then if you ever want to switch it out, you just unscrew the front. The front will come off. You can change your picture inside, put the front back on, screw it on, and you're ready to go. We have these in various sizes. We have small nameplates that you can put in front of an office door with a name on it. We have 4x6 size. We have 5x7, 8x10, 8.5 by 11. This is just brown film. Sometimes it's brown and sometimes it's blue. 11 by 14. And then we have the large one. It looks blue, but it's really clear. And then you can hang it this way or this way. And you can stick one big picture in there, or you can stick 3 8.5 by 11s, whatever you want. And you can find all of these on our website, sourceone.org, SourceOne.org. Thank you.